Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. In today's video, I am going to talk about a new way to download millions of papers in PDF form. In 2021, Sci-Hub is not working, and for this purpose, we have alternative option to download papers. So let's get into it. There is another domain called Paper Panda through which you can download many papers, and in this domain, in this extension, they have implemented many other databases like Google Scholar and many more. So first of all, you need to install the extension Paper Panda on your browser, like I'm doing on Chrome browser. So just type Paper Panda and then search the Chrome, google.com, where you can download the extension and pin it on your browser bar. So click on chrome.google.com, Paper Panda, get millions of research papers. Okay. So just click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. Okay, so go to browser setting and search the Paper Panda extension. Here you can see Paper Panda and just pin it to see on the bar. So here we got Paper Panda. Now when you add this extension on your browser, and then another window will open, and here you can see instruction. And instruction, it will guide you how to use this extension to download paper. So let's click on it. So first pin Paper Panda to your toolbar like this. So we have already pinned it on our toolbar. Okay, when you are on page for a research paper, click the little panda icon in the toolbar. Okay, and the panda will then run off and find the PDF for you. Okay, so we will click on it if you want to download paper. Here you can see instruction and setting, and we will click on this option, download this paper, when we visit particular website or any paper, like in this way. Click on it, and here you can see a particular paper, and down below you can give it a try on this paper. So let's try on this paper how it's working. Okay, so we have opened Oxford Academic, and you can see a paper with title The Making of the Modern Metropolis, Evidence from London, and you can only see the abstract of this paper, and you don't currently have access to this article, so we can't see the whole paper, the complete paper. So now let's go to Paper Panda. I'm going to click on it and then click download this paper. So let's see what's happening. Okay, so now you can see The Making of the Modern Metropolis, Evidence from London. So you can see clearly this paper has been opened by Paper Panda using the Sci-Hub URL. So this is very interesting. This extension is just in this extension you can see different domains like Sci-Hub, Google Scholar, and many other domains through which you can download paper. For example, if a paper you can't download a paper through Sci-Hub, you can change the setting to another URL, for example Google Scholar, and you can try a paper through Google Scholar. So how you will do it? For example, let's close it, and click on this icon and go to setting. So in setting, if you see down below, paper search domains. So we have many domains. Open access button, this is one domain, and internet, RQ Scholar, LibKey, Google Scholar, Google Search, Sci-Hub Library, Sci-Hub Backup 1, Backup 2, Backup 3. So you have many URLs, databases, domains in this extension. And probably if one is not working, this is possible, another domain will work for you for a particular paper. So let's close it. So I hope this extension might be helpful for you, and it will easy for you to find papers, because the Sci-Hub issue is nowadays is very painful, and people are trying to download papers but they can't. So I was thinking to provide this video if it can help you. Thank you so much.